All right, guys, we got a 2016 Mini Cooper. We did a muffler delete and a Flowmaster tip last week before last, something like that. Left the stock resonator on it. He wanted a little bit louder, so we went ahead and took the stock off and replaced it with the Vibrant. He's also got a high flow cat that he's gonna go have installed. One of the downpipe cats, we can't do it here, but he's gonna have a mechanic shop do that. But we put the Vibrant there and took out the old stock resonator. Part number for the Vibrant is 1792. Put it in where the stock resonator was, left the rest of it as is. And then there's the rear delete we did a few weeks back right there. That extra support pipe to hold it level. So there it is right there. And then there's the old one we cut off right there. It's a factory style. It's a little bit bigger than the Vibrant, about the same diameter. So there it is. Let you guys hear it in a second. Remember, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. Sound decibel. 94. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Mini Coupe, Vibrant muffler delete with a Flowmaster tip.